Okay, we're back. We're ready to put on our coating. First coat, we're going to do several coats. We like to do 4 coats. It's the same procedure as what we're going to do here. You want to start out by mixing up your coating at the right mix ratios. You want this to be able to sweat in. We like 2 or 3 minutes where it's just kind of mixing, where we're mixing, getting everything mixed in good. The next thing that we're going to do is we have kind of these blue buffing pad. You can use a white one. These are for floor buffing. You can buy those usually at a janitorial supply place. Rich is going to help me out because we usually do this with 2 people. It's a little bit easier. One thing that we have here is a brayer. This is a speedball brayer. It's a smooth, soft rubber brayer. That's something that's going to help us be able to achieve a nice, smooth finish. We're going to start. We're always going to do all of our edges. Any edging we'll do first, and then we'll do any of our horizontal surfaces. And so he's going to take this and kind of spread it out on the edge, and I'm going to come and kind of back roll over that. Notice that he's finally getting some on that top surface. Not a big deal. He's using that, kind of wiping it in. That way he's not spilling material all down below. And he wants to put on a little bit of mill thickness. And you'll especially notice if you're rolling out your surface, if it's won't roll and it's sliding across and you have too much material. You can also have too little material to where your lines aren't going to disappear. So now I'm going to just take this, I'm just going to back roll back over what he's done here. And I'm also going to back roll over this top surface anywhere where he's kind of gone over this top surface, kind of flatten that out a little bit before we get to that. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and start on our top. This can be done by hand, or you can use one of these DAs, kind of helps it speed up the process. So when we're doing it at the shop, we're going to take one of these DAs. This is dual action sander. Same pad that's on there, we're going to turn the speed down to the lowest speed that it'll go. And that allows me to kind of move quicker, and so you'll see kind of how we're going to do this. I'm just going to, and you can, you know, if you're not used to it, set that over here. So you're just going to kind of drizzle this stuff out, and then he's going to come right behind me right here and kind of spread that stuff out over the surface. You got to be really quick doing this. You don't want to let that stuff dwell very long, especially on subsequent coats. On the first coat, it doesn't really matter. Subsequent coats, you need to be really quick. The other thing that you can do is actually dip your pad in and just kind of rub it out as you go. If you're working by yourself, that's the easiest way to do it.